For watching. Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a temporary credit card. Asterisk. Firstly, log into your bank or credit card provider's online portal or mobile app. Many banks now offer temporary or virtual credit cards. As a security feature, navigate to the section for virtual or temporary cards. This is often found under Cards, Security, or Digital Wallet options. Choose the option to create a temporary or virtual credit card. You may be asked to name the card or set specific usage limits. Set your spending limit and expiration date. Temporary cards often let you control the maximum amount you can spend and how long the card is active, ranging from a few hours to a few months. The system will generate a unique card number, expiration date, and CVV code. This temporary card works just like a regular credit card for online or phone purchases. Use the temporary card details to complete your purchase safely without exposing your real credit card information. Monitor your transactions through your bank's app or website to ensure no unauthorized charges occur. Once your temporary card expires or reaches its spending limit, it automatically deactivates, protecting you from fraud or unwanted recurring charges. That's how easy it is to create and use a temporary credit card to shop securely online. If you want more quick guides like this, subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful tips.